Hi guys, today we'll explain how to add rectangles in Adobe. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is open the application and open a project in which you want to create a rectangle. In order to create a rectangle, first, you have to enable an option. And the option is essentially graphics. And how can you enable it? For enabling it, take a look on the left top. You can see the option of window. Just click on it, and here you can see the option of essential graphic. Just click on it, and then it will be enabled. This panel will help you while editing your rectangle. So now, time to create rectangle. For this, take a look on the left bottom. Here you can see the option of rectangle. Just click on it. And now here, you have to draw your rectangle. Rectangle has been created. Using Essential Graphic Panel, we can change the color and also can arrange the position of it. First, I will change the color. So click on this option. And here, choose your color. If you have a code, then enter the code and then click on the option. Okay, you can see the color of my rectangle has been changed. How can we change the position? You can see the option of position. This one is for moving the rectangle left to right. And this one is for up to down here. You can also choose the position. And this one is the size of rectangle. If you change the number, then the 4 making rectangle bigger. And it was the way by which you can create a rectangle in Adobe.